Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Retrograde blood flow. Retrograde blood flow mainly includes from blood flow from distal to proximal is called as retrograde blood flow. Here the blood flow is present from the distal to the proximal part. So this retrograde blood flow is actually seen in conditions like hip joint, scapula, patella and in talus we can see that there is retrograde blood flow is seen in hip joint, scapula, patella and talus.
thank you and thank you for watching.